Seriously, why are you trying to make one of the unhealthiest foods healthy? I'll tell you why. It's because French fries are amazing. The crunch, the subtle flavor of salt, and maybe even a dash of spicy seasoning. You can't tell me it's easy to resist these golden delicacies. In this video, we're going to talk about which oils are the healthiest. If you're thinking about your health, I may have a sorta halfway solution for you. So the question is, what's the healthiest oil for frying French fries? Determining which oil is best is a matter of knowing which one can take a higher amount of heat, is more packed on a molecular level, and more stable. As a result, the healthiest cooking oil would be coconut oil, avocado oil, canola oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil, flaxseed oil, or corn oil. Ultimately, there's a lot more to it than just blatantly picking out an oil. Looking for the right kind that goes well with your French fries is equally important. Let's talk about that. Deep frying is when you dip all your food into the really hot oil. Now, the ideal temperature of frying is approximately between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 176–190 degrees Celsius. Now the way it works is that if you submerge food into oil at this temperature, it's hot enough to quickly cook and, for the lack of a better word, crispify the outer skin of the French fry. The hardened skin of the French fry blocks out any oil from further penetrating the interior. It basically stops oil from being soaked into the French fry like a sponge. While the outside cooks, the inside boils from the moisture. It's important to keep the temperature just right. Any lower than the recommended and you'll end up with French fries soaked in oil. You'll end up with greasy fries. If you cook at a temperature that's too high, then it'll likely just burn the outsides and dry out the insides. Which cooking oils are considered healthy? In frying food, there's really no healthiest choice. There's just the choice between bad and worst. However, I totally understand the notion to pick from the lesser of two evils. So the following is a list of oils that are a really good choice for the health conscious. Number 1. Coconut oil. Out of all the different oils to choose from, coconut oil is our number 1 pick. Coconut oil contains a high amount of saturated fats, which makes it highly resistant to heat. In fact, the smoking point of coconut oil is between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 to 204 degrees Celsius. A research study from J Food Science Technology tested a single batch of coconut oil being deep fried at 365 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for 8 hours. Didn't alter or change the structure of the oil by much. The quality of the oil remained good. Coconut oil has also been said to encourage fat burning. You see, coconut oil is high in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. A study that was specifically focused on MCTs was actually found to increase the way your body burns calories by an extra 5% compared to long-chain triglycerides. According to a study from J Bacterial, coconut oil has also many other added benefits, such as having antimicrobial effects thanks to being comprised of an abundance of lauric acid, a substance that can kill harmful pathogens. It's also been known to lower your appetite due to a beneficial metabolite produced by converting MCTs into ketones, which are currently being studied in treatment for preventing seizures as well as treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Finally, it can also help skin, hair, teeth, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. Number 2. Olive oil. Our next in line would have to be olive oil. Olive oil's perhaps the second of the healthiest fats we know of. It's got a smoking point of 390 to 470 degrees Fahrenheit, 199 to 243 degrees Celsius. So comparatively speaking, it's also heat resistant and highly stable at frying temperatures. In a study similar to the test run based on continuous use with coconut oil, it took olive oil over 24 hours until it went bad. Number 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil has a smoking point of 520 degrees Fahrenheit, 270 degrees Celsius. Again, making it very stable and resistant to high heat. It'll almost certainly survive boiling temperatures for a long period of time. It's got a similar composition to that of olive oil and should have the same properties and benefits. Number 4. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids capable of providing DHA and EPA to your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to help reduce inflammation, help your heart, and protect against memory loss and aging. In one study, flaxseed oil has been found to block the spread of cancer growth in the lungs of mice. And in some similar findings, they've also been linked to reducing the growth of breast cancer cells. Cancer research is still ongoing. Number 5. Palm oil. Palm oil is actually a great choice for deep frying. The benefits of palm oil include helping against vitamin A deficiency, certain types of cancers, brain disease, blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Number 6. Peanut oil. Peanut oil has a smoking point of 446 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, this falls into one of the last on our list because of its high contents of polyunsaturated fats. Now, when you heat polyunsaturated fats for a long time, the oil ends up with increased viscosity and darkening. This is a state of oil being oxidized, a state at which when a chemical reaction occurs that degrades the quality of the cooking oil. It's something we don't want. Want to find out what smoking points really mean? Or do you have any questions about air fryers and cooking oils in general? We have an awesome FAQ on our site. Just Google search Family Guide Central Healthiest Oils for frying, or you can click in the link below in the description. We love providing helpful videos, so subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. As always, in this video, the topics discussed, and ideas presented are opinions and presented for entertainment purposes only. The information presented should not be construed as professional health, financial or legal advice. Always do your own due diligence.